morning, student. Today we are practicing Middle Eastern food, and for that we are going to prepare chicken kabsa. Chicken kabsa is very famous dish prepared in Middle East, and the ingredients which are required for making chicken kabsa are chicken, rice, and some whole and ground spices and capsicum. So it is very famous all around the Middle East, and I will show you the ingredients which are required for making chicken kabsa. So for making the chicken kabsa, we have taken the 750 gram of whole chicken. The spices which are required for making chicken kabsa, it's a half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon of oil, refined oil, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, salt as per the taste you can use, and here it is the capsicum, half teaspoon of cumin powder, sliced onion. I have taken the 2 whole onion, half cup of tomato, chopped garlic, and few butter. The rice which is required for making this dish, we have taken the 400 gram of rice. We will soak it into the water for half an hour. The whole spices which are required for making this, we have taken 2 bay leaf, few cloves, 2 green cardamom, and 2 cinnamon stick. We have also placed here lemon juice. If we are having the old lemon, we can use it. Or in case of if we don't have that, we can use lemon juice. And here we have made a tomato paste, fresh tomato paste, which will be added during the preparation. And then the fresh ground pepper, black pepper, we will find it from these utensils. After preparing the chicken kabsa, we will serve it on the fresh sauce, the sauce which is prepared from the green coriander and tomato paste. We will use fresh tomato and fresh coriander leaf, the garlic, few cloves of garlic, and green chili. We will prepare the sauce, and the whole preparation will done. Then we will serve it along with the sauce. So student, now we are starting to prepare chicken kabsa, and for that we have added 2 tablespoons of oil into pan. We have taken the thick bottom pan, braising pan, you can see. Now we are adding 15 gram of butter, when butter is melted, now we are adding chopped garlic, and now we will add sliced onion. We will still fry it until the color change into golden brown. Now you can see the color has been changed from white to golden brown. We will add pieces of chicken and we will cook it side by side. Now chicken has been cooked so far, and we will add whole spices. For that, cloves, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and dalchini we have added. And now we are going to add ground spices into it. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder we are adding, half teaspoon of curry powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder. All the ground spices we have added, and now we are going to add a teaspoon of salt. We will stir and mix it properly so that all the spices can mix. The spices which we have added are mixed properly into chicken, and now we are adding capsicum and tomato here. We will add tomato. Now tomato sauce, a tomato puree we are going to add. And then we are going to add 800 ml of water. So that the chicken can be cooked properly in this broth. I mean, we will leave it for another 15 to 20 minutes or until chicken cooked properly. So student, you can see the chicken has been cooked properly, and now we are going to remove it from the broth and place it on a tray. And the broth which is left on pot, we will use it as a cooking for rice, and we will make a hole into chicken and then apply the spices on top of it. So now we will make a small pores by the fork, you can see, and then we will apply fresh black pepper, a bit of paprika powder, a little bit of salt, and the olive oil we will apply on top of it. And we will place it on a tray, and we will keep it for 15 to 20 minutes inside the oven until it baked properly. We have preheated our oven earlier at 180 degrees Celsius. Now we are going to place the chicken pieces inside the oven. We will bake it for 5 to 10 minutes or until the chicken baked or cooked properly. Now the remaining broth which we have left inside the pot, we are going to add the 400 gram of rice into it. We have soaked it before for half an hour, and then the rice is going to cook in slow flame. So till the time we have prepared the dressing for chicken kapsa, and we have grinded the tomatoes, green chilies, green coriander and garlic, and now we are going to add a rock salt, black salt into it, and few drops of lemon juice, teaspoon of olive oil, so this is the dressing. This is how we make it for chicken kapsa. So student, this is the final preparation of chicken kapsa, and the broth which was left over, we have placed the rice on them, and then the rice has been cooked properly, and the chicken which we have cooked inside the oven we have placed above on top of the rice. And this is the dressing. This is the dressing which is prepared by the tomato, green coriander and olive oil and lemon juice. So this is how it is look. You can see. Thank you.